food. Like Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. A time to sit down over the holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal.
Hey!
Percy's going to Turkey Paradise!
Turkey Paradise.
Go, Percy, you lucky son of a gun!
Oh, yes, Governor Bradford is right. We can all hold now.
Except for Clancy. But he was sick on the boat, so that's not on me.
Go! Join the others!
Not without you!
Jenny,
Daddy!
I'll always be with you.
That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding?